So this way you can access your Node.js and you can even tell it to make some changes very. So in our previous video, we saw how you can set up a VM on Google Cloud and install OpenClaw to access it via terminal. In this video, we will show you how you can access the web UI and connect your Telegram bot to it. First, we need to access the VM terminal. And here it is. We need a secure way for our local machine to talk with Google Cloud VM. So for that, we need a SSH key and you have to generate it via using terminal of your local machine. So first you need to run this command and you have to hit enter and you have to hit enter again and your SSH key has been generated. And for getting that SSH key, you need to again run this command and it will give you the SSH key as a long string and you have to copy that and you have to go into metadata, then SSH keys, and you have to add that SSH key and then save. And now we can create SSH tunnel. For that, you need to again run this command, which is here. You have to run this command in your terminal and you will need your VM's IP address and the username. And when you hit the enter, you will get the connection of your VM and your local machine. And then in your VM's terminal, you have to run this command, which is OpenClaw gateway run. So it will start the gateway. And once your gateway starts running, you can access the web UI via going to this URL. And this way you have just made a connection with your cloud machine and your local machine. And now for connecting Telegram bot to it, you have to search bot father in your Telegram and then you have to start the new conversation and then you have to run new bot command. You have to choose the name for it. And then choose this username and it will give you this one. And for starting the conversation, you need to configure some setup on your virtual machine. So first you need to run this command. And then this way you can connect your Telegram bot to it. So in this process, you might also need to configure your account ID with your OpenClaw account. So from to ID bot account, you can get your ID and you can configure that on OpenClaw. So after connecting Telegram with your OpenClaw, you can do things like create Node.js. So it will take some time to create the app and run it on 3000 port. You can send another message to see if it's created. So it may be face error again. So after some chats, I have fixed the issue, which is I faced in my app. So for accessing it, you have to go into localhost 3000. But before that, you have to create a SSH connection. So this way you can access your Node.js and you can even tell it to make some changes like so this way you can play with your OpenClaw and we can just close the app now. So that's it for OpenClaw and Telegram connection. And if you are confused about which VPS or VM provider you have to choose, then you can check out my another video on my channel where I compare all the best options.